What's going on, YouTube? Today we're going to go over how to install Tailwind version 4 in a React Vite application. So let's get right into it. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to run npx create Vite at latest. All right, and we're going to, because we're in, we'll just name our project my app or something. And then we'll go and we're going to pick React, regular JavaScript, and then we can CD into my app, and then we can install the dependencies. All right, then we want to open up in VS Code or something. All right, so now we can open our terminal. All right, so I like using Git Bash, so just get rid of PowerShell there. So now we want to npm install Tailwind, and we're going to install Tailwind CSS / Vite. All right, and then we can go into the config file here, and then we're going to import. We're going to import Tailwind CSS at Tailwind CSS / Vite. All right, and then we can add this down here to the plugins. All right, and the next thing we want to do is open our file here, and we're going to go into the index CSS, and we're going to delete all this, and then we want to do @import Tailwind CSS, and it's going to keep trying to get me to choose these old ways of doing things, but we don't have to do that, so we can reject that. And then we can go into, we can delete app CSS. All right, and then we can go into here and we can delete all this and just do our little SFC, create a stateless function, name it app. Then we can go into here and we can just create a div, and then we can just create an H1 with hello world, and it's going to be the text is 3XL. It's going to have underline, and the font is going to be bold. We could do npm run dev and see what we get here. And there you go. So it's as simple as that. Tailwind's working. Pretty easy. Thank y'all. I hope this helped.